going to make a slime pancake roll. I think in America it's I am Thai, so I don't know that pancake roll have in America. But never mind. And then we have yellow, we have pink, it's so short. We have purple, we have green, we have blue. And I will start from blue. So blue here, and the next one yellow. Yellow there. Time for me pancake roll. This is like a real dough, but I have to make very fast. I have to make faster than this because I have to go to study online. Do you know what study online is? I study online Chinese, and we can roll the dough with a pencil. Like that. We roll the dough like when we make cookie, that video. It has to be like this, everyone. Whoa! And then we can turn it and roll it this. And then another one. Roll, roll, roll. Roll it smooth. Choo-choo TV. So we are finished, and then we can roll it. Roll, 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 nice and tight. There, pancake roll. It's like Thai food. Thai food is roti. And the next one will be yellow. It's melting now. No problem. And then roll the dough, the same thing. La 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 Wow. Roll, 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 roll. And then roll it once again. Oh no, it's the slime has melting already. It's so clumsy. This one will melt too, look. I think I can put it here. The next one will be green. Yellow, get out. Yellow, get out. Yellow, get out. Yellow, yellow, get out. Yellow, 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 get out. Oh no, it's green, not purple. Purple will be here and green. Wow. I like my slime to play with. Ooh, ew. What the heck is this? slime. Ooh, glitter land again. Glitter, glitter. Next, roll the dough. Roll the dough for everyone. Will be fun and strong for you. Roll the dough for everyone. We can eat bread or cakes. La 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 la. La 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 la. Roll, 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 roll dough. It will help you be strong and healthy, and you can eat cakes with the dough. I like rolling the dough. I like rolling the dough. Ooh, yellow has melted already. Wow! And then the next one, purple. I have to very fast because another 5 minutes study. We roll, roll, roll the dough. Roll the dough is great for you. We like to roll the dough. Roll the dough can help you strong. Roll the dough can help you strong. We like to roll the dough as people. We like to roll the dough. It's fun, fun. We like to roll the dough. It's fun, fun. Yay! It's so cute. And the pink one lastly. Another 4 minutes. Can I play now? We like to roll the dough. Roll the dough can help you strong. We like to roll the dough. Roll the dough can help you strong. The roll the dough is fun for you. We like it, everyone like. Here, finished. I will show you all. The first one is melting. I will do it again. Look. And then the second one is yellow. And it has melt too. I will do it again. Here. And then the next one is green. It has melted. And I will roll again. Look. And the next one is purple. It starts melting too. Roll the dough. It's like the roll biscuit. And the pink one is start to melting. And then roll again. Look. And then we can put it in the box again. Here you go, pink. Purple have to do very hard. Bye-bye, purple. Have a nice day in the box of your house. In the box of your house. It's 10 minutes already. Another 5 minutes. Can he do it? Oh no! I have to go to study now. La 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 la. Let's go, little slime. Go, we can't wait anymore. Go, we can't wait for you anymore. Go, they're very nice. And I will close the lid. I can't do without this little slime. Go, melt, little slime. I said melt. She has caught me. I have to go now. Oh no, the slime touched. Get up. What? Another.
เดี๋ยวผมโทรเบอร์นี้นะครับสวัสดีครับ
Okay, I รียนให้เสร็จแล้ว
ไป
Bye, I have to go to study.